This is a guide on replacing a screen on a Lenovo Legion Slim 5 laptop. To begin, restart the computer and press F2 key continuously to enter BIOS. Click More Settings, go to the configuration, and scroll down to disable built-in battery. Press Enter and Yes. This will turn the laptop off with its battery disabled. The next step is to remove the bezel. The bezel is glued to the back cover and the screen. Insert a plastic peg between the bezel and the screen on the inner side. Move it along the perimeter, separating the bezel. Be careful around the web camera area. Open laptop fully and separate the bottom side of the bezel. Put the bezel aside. The screen is held in place with 2 adhesive strips on the sides and 1 small adhesive strip at the top. Using tweezers, pick up the loose tab in the left bottom corner and pull out the adhesive strip. In our case, the tape ripped off without coming out fully, but we'll come back to it in a bit. Pick up the tab in the right bottom corner, then carefully roll it onto a screwdriver and carefully pull it out, releasing the right side of the screen. Pick up the loose tab on the top of the screen and pull it out carefully. The left side of the screen is still held in place with the adhesive. Use a heat gun or a hair dryer to soften up the glue by blowing at the back cover. Using a plastic pick, pry away the screen away from the back cover and then remove the remaining adhesive strip using tweezers. Place the screen on the keyboard. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket. Secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. Also, make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Now we can test the new screen. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Reconnect the power cord and turn the laptop on. The screen is working and we can finish the installation process. Place the screen back on the keyboard. We're going to use a set of adhesive strips which you can buy on our site LaptopScreen.com. Using alcohol and a piece of cloth, clean the sides of the screen. Apply the adhesive strips. Peel off the protective film. Lift the screen up and using a microfiber cloth, apply some pressure on the sides of the screen to catch the adhesive. Using tweezers, tuck the adhesive pads in so they don't get in the way of the bezel. Now we can replace the bezel. Open the laptop fully, align the bezel with the back cover. Use a plastic pick to make sure that the bezel fits in its place correctly. Apply some pressure along the perimeter. Turn the laptop on, and we're done.